Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about how to write an algorithm. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to write an algorithm. Writing an algorithm involves a logical sequence of steps that solves a specific problem or perform a task. Here are general framework to follow in writing an algorithm. Number 1. Understand the problem. Clearly define the problem you are trying to solve. Identify the inputs and desired outputs. Understand any constraints or specific requirements. Number 2, break down the problem. Divide the problem into smaller, more manageable sub-problems or tasks. This step helps in organizing your algorithm and tackling each part individually. Number 3, define the inputs and outputs. Determine the data or information your algorithm will take as input and expected result or output it should produce. Number 4. Design algorithms logic. Determine the logical steps needed to solve the problem. Break down the problem further into smaller steps and define the relationships between these steps. Consider using conditional statements, if-else, loops, and other control structures to handle different scenarios and iterations. Number 5. Use pseudocode or flowcharts. Pseudocode is an informal way of describing your algorithm in plain language, resembling a programming language without strict syntax. It helps in translating your logic into code later on. Alternatively, you can use flowcharts to visually represent the flow and logic of your algorithm using shapes and arrows. Number 6. Test and refine. Run through your algorithm with different inputs, including edge cases and typical scenarios, to verify its correctness and efficiency. Debug any issues or logical errors you encounter and refine your algorithm as needed. Number 7. Translate into a programming language. Once you are satisfied with your algorithm's design and logic, you can translate it into an actual programming language. Choose a programming language you are familiar with or one suitable for the problem at hand. Number 8. Implement and code the algorithm. Write the code that reflects your algorithm steps in the chosen programming language. Use the appropriate syntax in programming constructs. Number 9. Test the implementation. Test your code with various inputs to ensure it produces the expected outputs and handles different scenarios correctly. Debug and fix any issues or errors that arise during testing. Number 10. Analyze the algorithm's performance. Assess the efficiency and performance of your algorithm. Consider factors like time complexity and space complexity to evaluate its scalability and resource usage. Number 11. Iterate and optimize. If necessary, optimize your algorithm to improve its performance. Look for opportunities to make it faster. Use less memory or enhance its overall efficiency. Remember, the key to writing a good algorithm is clarity. Logical reasoning and break down complex problems into smaller, manageable steps. It's also important to consider edge cases, handle errors gracefully, and continuously test and refine your algorithm as you implement it. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report about how to write an algorithm. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.